Boom. Boom. Alright guys, what's up? This is the next day, and today I'm going to just finish up this job. I'm going to go take the wheels to cycle gear and get them balanced. And the new chain tool is coming tomorrow, so I'm going to finish up the chain. The wheels will be all balanced up, and the bike should be ready to go, guys. So alright, let's get these wheels balanced. And the wheels are all loaded up in the big car. It is good, and we made it to cycle gear. Check that out, guys. Let's park up. There's some bikes over here, but let's go see if they do balancing. Hopefully they do. How's it going? Do you guys do tire balancing? Don't you guys do like free tire balancing, right?
We do.
Can I just bring them in?
You get them right now?
In my car, yeah.
Yeah, we'd have to fill something out, but yeah.
Alright, awesome. Alright guys, so they do tire balancing, and they said I need to fill something out, but let's get these tires. So they took my tires, and now we're just gonna go shop around, see if we can find some cool stuff at Cycle Gear. There's always cool stuff at Cycle Gear. I need oil. Look at all the tires they got. Look at all the helmets back there. Let me go show you. This is a pretty cool Cycle Gear. Check out all these helmets right here. That's insane. Look at that. Oh, all of them. Alright guys, so just like McDonald's, Cycle Gear's tire machine, balancing machine was broken, out of order. So right now I called a couple of places. There's this place called Iron Horse Motorcycles, and we're just gonna head over there. And yeah, let's see. They said they could do it for like $5 to $10 a tire. That's not bad. And I called like the dealer, the motorcycle dealership that's local. I called a couple other places. They wanted like, one of them wanted $40 per wheel. One of them wanted like $50. It was like crazy prices. So let's go ahead and check these guys out. Let's get it. Oh my God, guys! Look, undercover Mustang cop, semi in the ditch. What is going on? Look at that Mustang, guys. That Mustang was undercover. What? That's insane. Alrighty guys, so I made it to the new location, the Iron Horse place or whatever it's called. So let's go park it up and then see if they can change our tires. This place is pretty cool. Check this out. It's pretty sick. Let's go check out some bikes too. It's a cool little spot. Alright. They told me to pull the car in the back around somewhere, they said. And there's a green gate that I have to bring the tires to. Look at these little Groms. These are pretty sick. I low-key want a Grom. Alright guys, let's find where this green gate is that they're talking. Alright, so we're pulling up to this green gate, they said, and then unloading my tires. So let's see here. I'll just pull up over here, and then we'll go over there and give them the tires. Alright guys, we got the tires. Let's bring them over and see if these guys can do it. Let's try this again. Take two. Alright guys, let's go inside and see if they can do it. Hi, how's it going? I called in earlier about tire balancing, and then I just brought my tires and wheels in.
Okay, if you'll bring them back here, we'll get them balanced.
Just bring them in here?
Yep.
Alright, awesome, thank you.
You got two?
Just two, yeah. Alright, they said. And just making sure, I think they told me it was like $5 to $10 a tire.
Yes.
Awesome, thanks. Get this one in here. $5 to $10, that's a deal. Where should I roll them over to?
Just sit them right there against the wall.
Okay.
Do you want to take 5 minutes to just balance these tires? What's the last name?
I'm new here, so I don't probably need to create a new account or whatever.
Okay, yeah, what's the first name?
Anton. Guys, so they apparently have like a bike museum in here. Check this place out. There's like a bunch of old bikes on the walls. Look at this. Look at all. Look, that's an old Indian. That's crazy. But yeah, those are like a bunch of cool bike collection. Little pit bikes right here. Ooh, a 450. This thing is fresh. Got some jet skis over here too. Look at that. These things are huge. I low-key one. I've never been on a jet ski. That's crazy. But yeah, guys, hope you like the old bike collection. Look at that thing. That's like a gas tank on it. Yo, guys, should I get one of these things? Look at this thing. That's crazy. Let's go. This thing is sick. It's like planted. You're like, dude, this thing's like a race car. I low-key dig it. I think I found the bike. Look at this Yamaha. This thing is tiny. Alright guys, the wheels are all balanced up, front, rear. Shout out to Iron Horse Motorcycles out here. They did it for super cheap. Literally cost me like 16 bucks for both. So yeah guys, let's get it. Yo, what's going on? You guys can't park there. Got cops and stuff. Alright guys, what is up? So finally I got the tires back home. I put the tire back on. They're all balanced, they're all ready to go. This tire's right here ready to go on the front. Oh, I could just put that on actually. This one can go on already. And then basically, yeah, I'm just waiting for the chain tool. Amazon to bring it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna crimp the chain, and then I can finally start riding again. It's been so long since I've ridden, and yeah, I'm excited, guys. So when the chain tool comes in tomorrow, we'll finish the job, and then the bike is back in business. Let's go. And there's new tires coming for the Miata, guys. Some new sticky RS Pros, so let's go.